Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can edit the description under your title whenever your visitors are searching for your products and services on Google. So sometimes when you see your website or web page rank on Google after the title followed by the description, and there will be times where you don't like the description. So how can you change this description in your website? So this description is known as the meta description. And when you have a meta description for your page or post in your website, Google might show this meta description. Okay, so the keyword here is might. But based on my experience, is most likely if you write a good and relevant meta description for your page, high chance Google will show it to your searches. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the meta description if you are using WordPress, Gutenberg editor, Divi editor, or Elementor editor. So let us start with Divi Builder first. So this is one of my website created using Divi Builder, and we are going to use a plugin called RankMath. So what you can do is that you can go to webbuddy.sg/rankmath. This is my affiliate link. So once you click on it, it will bring you to the RankMath website. And if you are using Divi and Elementor page builder, I would suggest you to get their pro version. You can click download for free over here. Once you click on it, you can see the pricing plan. And if your budget allows, I would suggest that you go for the Pro Edition. It only costs less than $7 per month, and you can install in unlimited personal websites. And what I like the Pro version is, in addition of tracking keywords for you, it also gives you some credits to generate AI content. And most importantly is that it has more complete feature as compared to the free edition. And also important is that it integrates fully with Divi if you are using Divi Builder for your website, or if you are using Elementor for your website. So if you're using Elementor or using Divi, you can use RankMath to do that. So if you do not have the budget at the moment, you can install the free version. I will share with you how you can install the free version. Okay, so once you log into your WordPress website, you can go to Plugins, Add New, and you can simply type in RankMath, and it will show you the free version of RankMath plugin. And I would highly suggest RankMath SEO versus Yoast SEO plugin because it is much lighter than Yoast SEO, and also it has lesser bugs as compared to Yoast SEO. So you can go ahead and just install and then click activate. I have already installed activated this plugin. So now I'm going to show you how you can change the meta description for a Divi website. So this website I'm using Divi. So once you go to the page that you want to edit the meta description, you can just click on Enable Visual Builder. So once you see the Visual Builder being loaded, you can click on this icon which represents RankMath, and you will see something like this. So you will see the preview and the description here. So you click Edit Snippet, and this is the title that you want to show on Google. And here is the meta description that you want to show on the search result. So RankMath make it very easy for you to edit the text. For me, I can just put in my name and my title description, and I can put in some attractive description over here for people to read and click on my listing. And they also have the words limit for you to take note over here. Okay, so after you make all the changes, you can just close and just save the page as normally you do. So this is how you edit for Divi. Okay, so this is another web page of mine that design using Elementor page builder. So now I'm going to show you how to edit the meta description for this page using RankMath. So once I click on edit with Elementor over here, it will go to the page editor page. So if you are Elementor user, you will find this page very familiar. And on the left, you can see there's a SEO tab. So click on the SEO and you will see this screen that's very familiar to what we have seen earlier for Divi page builder. Click on edit snippet. And here is the same thing. You can type in your custom title. For this page, you can also put in the meta description for this page as well. So after you make the changes, you can then click publish over here. So this is what you can do for Elementor to change the meta description. Okay, so lastly, I will share with you how you can edit the meta description if you are using the default Gutenberg editor for your WordPress website. So this is one of my WordPress website, demo website using Gutenberg editor. So I want to edit this post meta description. I click on edit post and now it will bring me to the editor over here. So this is the Gutenberg default editor and you need to click on the icon RankMath over here. So this is only after you install the RankMath either free or pro version. So click on it and again you'll see this edit snippet. So click on it and here you can enter your page title or post title for this blog post. In my case, it's a blog post. And then I will also enter the meta description for this blog post. Okay, so this is how you can edit the meta description using RankMath plugin for either Divi theme, Elementor theme, or the Gutenberg editor. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments area below and I will help you out with if I can. See you in my next video. Thank you.